Hello, curious minds. Welcome to our exciting journey into the amazing world of biology. Today, we're going to explore the wonders of life that make everything around us so special. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Drew Belling, the wonders of biology. What is biology? First things first, what is biology? Well, biology is the science that helps us understand living things. That means plants, animals, and even us humans. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving mysteries, we're discovering the secrets of life. Moving to our next segment, fragment 2, cells. The tiny building. And let's talk about cells. Imagine your body is like a big city, and cells are the tiny building blocks that make up the city. They're super tiny, but oh, so important. Cells work together like a team to keep everything in your body working smoothly. Moving to our next segment, DNA. The instruction manual inside each cell. There's something called DNA. It's like a magical instruction manual that tells your body how to grow, how to look, and even how to behave. It's like having a special code that makes you you. Moving to our next segment, it's in the circle of life, plants and animals. Now let's talk about plants and animals. Plants are like nature chefs, so they make their own food using sunlight. Animals, on the other hand, have to find their food. But whether you're a plant or an animal, we're all connected in the circle of life. Moving to our next segment, adaptation. Nature's superpower. If you ever wondered why, say, animals look different, it's because of something called adaptation. Animals and plants change a little bit over time to be better suited to where they live. It's like nature's superpower, helping everyone survive in their own special way. Moving to our next segment, ecosystems, nature's neighborhoods. Let's talk about ecosystems. Picture it like a big neighborhood where plants, animals, and even tiny microbes live together. Everyone has a role to play, and they all work together to keep their neighborhood balanced and healthy. Moving to our next segment, biodiversity, nature's variety pack. Biodiversity is like having a big variety pack snacks. It means there are lots and lots of different plants and animals all around the world. Each one is unique, and together they make our planet a colorful and exciting place to live. And there you have it, the wonders of biology. From tiny cells to the big, beautiful world we live in, biology helps us understand the incredible tapestry of life. So keep exploring, stay curious, and who knows what amazing discoveries you'll make in the world of biology. Thanks for joining us on this fantastic journey. Until next time, happy exploring.